Hello, it's Marek. Welcome to Mdrives and welcome to another video. Today I will be talking about Alcantara steering wheels. I feel like there is that stigma over the Alcantara wheels out there on the internet where a lot of people is saying don't do it because it will look horrible, it gets dirty really quick, and yeah, it's only nice for a couple of months. And I strongly disagree with it because I had this steering wheel for 2 years and I haven't cleaned it yet and it still looks brilliant. But let me start from the beginning. The Alcantara, it's a fully synthetic material. It's a suede-like material, so it's very soft in touch, and the big advantage of it is it actually never feels hot or cold. So in the summer it feels it doesn't feel as warm, it doesn't get as warm as leather, and in the winter you can get into the car when it's cold, you can grab your steering wheel and within seconds it feels warm because your warmth is trapped in between the fibers and it's like an insulation, while the leather normally gets really cold. So this wheel is really good all-rounder, even better than the leather steering wheels. So let me show you now how this wheel looks from up close after 2 years. Yes, 2 years. So I bought this wheel I think in December 2022. Right, so let me show you how the steering wheel looks like now after 2 years. So as you can see, the top is probably the part of the steering wheel which I'm not holding very often because it has a screen. And as you can see, that Alcantara, it's still absolutely fine here. If we move on to the right hand side, that's probably where I hold the steering wheel most. It's still in very good shape here. When we get to this point, this is the only real wear I can see, and that's purely because most of the time I will drive like that and I will rub my thumb here, and this isn't really damaged, it's purely packed with fats and all of that and dirt, so it's kind of like packed, so it's not fluffy anymore. And that's basically how you can see, you know, the Alcantara starts looking not nice. People think it actually wears that, you know, all of that fluff and all of this fibers, they just disappear. They do, but they are basically covered in dirt. They are packed with dirt, and we can actually clean that to make it clean and fluffy again. So following down, as you can see on this side, you can definitely see it's a bit shinier here. Again, in real life it doesn't look that bad, it's only on the camera it looks a bit more shiny. Actually it's still matte, it still has a matte appearance, and if you look closely, they are, yeah, you can see that there is definitely some dirt in between the fibers. But it's not too bad. Then we're moving on to the bottom of the steering wheel, and you can see that looks much cleaner, much better. You can see when I run my finger through it, you know, like the fibers are going one way or another. So yeah, it's still very soft and plush here. Moving on to this side, it's gonna be even better because I probably hold it even less often in this part of the steering wheel. And if we go here, you're gonna see probably, yeah, a similar thing to the other side where you can see that these fibers here are just packed with dirt. But apart from that, it looks decent. It looks still very clean and fluffy, and yeah. So as you can see, apart from the areas where I'm holding it like 99% of the time, so this area in particular, the steering wheel actually looks really good. So over the 2 years, I've covered about 16,000 miles, so probably about 25,000 kilometers with this wheel on. And yeah, it still looks brilliant. And some of my regular viewers might say, well, we've seen you wearing gloves. Actually, if you would go back through my videos, since I've got this steering wheel, I haven't used my driving gloves that much, so I only used them on a couple of occasions where, for example, I was at Alps and it was 35 or 30 degrees and my hands, my palms were sweating. At that point, I think for 2 days I was actually wearing my gloves while driving. Then on the track, when I went to the Nürburgring on both occasions, I think I've only worn them maybe on 3 laps, and I've done about 10 in total. So I would say overall, out of those 16,000 miles, I probably covered about 14, 15 without any gloves. What I have to admit to is that I do carry with me a little pack of cleaning wipes, and that's purely for the eventuality where I'm out and about on a drive and I'm getting a hamburger or something fatty, something which makes my hands greasy, and at that point it would be a real killer for the Alcantara. Let's face it, grease, you know, it's really bad. You know, if you have a greasy hands, you put your hands back on your steering wheel, regardless if it's leather or suede, it will just stay on it. It will stick to it and it will clog up all the surface. And in terms of a normal leather, it will make it look very shiny. In case of Alcantara, it will basically pack in between the fibers and basically will start looking like more like a leather. So unfortunately, I need to say that if you are one of those saying that you had your Alcantara wheel for 3 months and after 3 months it looked horrible, well, you need to sort out your hand hygiene. I think you just don't care about how clean your hands are when you're driving. And don't get this wrong, I don't have a phobia or anything like that, far from that. It's just purely like self-awareness that, oh God, my hands are dirty. I'll just clean them before I go into my car. So if you had a meal at home or something, if you have access to a sink and soap, just go and wash your hands. Or if, like me, you're out and about, just make sure that you have some cleaning wipes with you and you basically rub your hands and done. They are clear. The dirt and the grease will not transfer onto your steering wheel, and that applies to both Alcantara and leather steering wheel as well. Is there an aspect of a quality of Alcantara in it? Well, I think there might be. I'm not a specialist, and if you are, please let me know. There are companies out there which will retrim your steering wheel in Alcantara and they look really nice. But I personally can't vouch for them. I don't know what Alcantara they use. I don't know if all Alcantara is the same. But I know overall that, you know, people are in general happy with them. But yeah, it would be interesting to hear if long term, how long they stayed looking nice. Is it again coming down to a personal hygiene, or is it a quality aspect of the Alcantara as well? So if you know anything about that, let me know. So the myth is busted. If someone is telling you that the Alcantara for a steering wheel, it's a bad idea, that, you know, it gets horrible very quickly, unfortunately they either never actually had Alcantara steering wheel, or they not really keep their hands clean enough, and regardless if they would have Alcantara or leather, they will still end up with a horrible looking steering wheel. So we got to the point where we established that the Alcantara is actually a good material for a steering wheel, and it can survive 2 years looking remarkably well without any cleaning. So yeah, it's a good material. But what if you want to make it look like new again? Well, there is a way to clean it. So when I bought this wheel, pretty much straight away I gone onto an internet and I researched what's the best way to clean the Alcantara steering wheel. And I found out that everyone on the internet recommends one product. And it's this, Sonax Extreme. Everyone, literally everyone, was recommending this product as the best way to clean Alcantara in your car. So apparently it foams really well. It basically agitates the dirt between the fibers, so all that packed grease, it dissolves it and lifts it up, so then you can use your microfiber to kind of squeeze it and move it around. And the microfiber is basically full of little hooks, microscopic hooks, and that will pick up the dirt and it will restore the original look of the Alcantara, all of that kind of fluffiness and that suede feel. So that's what I'm gonna try now, and we will see how well it actually worked. So we will see if it will restore the Alcantara back to its glory days. So let's start with the area which looks like it's the dirtiest. Ooh, it actually makes a bit of mess. So let's do that. Yeah, that's a bit messy, to be honest. I didn't expect that. Let's do the other side. So you can actually see how it works, how it goes into it. It disappears into the fibers. So after about 30 minutes, here are the results. So here it is, the final result, and I think all of that grease is pretty much out. I don't really want to do it for the fourth time. I think instead I'm going to introduce a regular cleaning regime. So probably once in a quarter I'm going to give it a light clean, so I will pick up the rest of it once I'm in there next time. But as you can see, it all looks fantastic. It looks to me like it's restored to its original condition almost. Yeah, you can't really see any packed grease in there anymore. So here it is, a nice clean steering wheel made of Alcantara. Not cleaned for 2 years, and I've spent 30 minutes cleaning it gently, and obviously I did it for the first time, so I wasn't sure what I was doing. So from the next time I'm sure it's going to take less time and I'm gonna know exactly how to do it, so it gives me the best results straight away. So yeah, I'm so pleased, after 3 goes in that difficult area, it still looks amazing. I can see now when I run the finger over the Alcantara that it changes its color. That means that the fibers move and the light looks different on them. So that means simply that all the fibers are clean, are free to move, and that's what you want. That what gives Alcantara that grip, that nice soft plush feel. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned something about Alcantara steering wheels. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you shortly in the next one. Thank you, goodbye, do widzenia.